Been working for a while trying to design a fret leveling system that I can show people that have never done it before that can get success, and it's called Foolproof Fretwork. And I had a question come up, which was how to level the first fret of your guitar. So today I just want to show a quick video of the tool that I came up with to do that. I'm Dave with Stringing Together, and let's dive in. Before you do any leveling, you want to make sure that the fret is actually seated properly, and I cover more of that in my course. But if it's not seated properly and you level it, then it's just going to pop down and pop back up. But assuming that it's leveled properly and you know that the first fret is high, then you can build this simple tool, which all it is a regular level with blue painter's tape with sandpaper super glued to it, one facing up and one facing down. That gives you two sides that are perfectly level to each other, and the downward sandpaper is the size of the first fret. So basically what you're doing is leveling the first fret in relation to the other frets, knowing that they're exactly the same height. So that way you can level that first fret in relation to the others without having to worry about going too far. The only thing you have to keep in mind is that you have to make sure that your hand or your pressure is behind the first fret, so on the bridge side, because if you put it over top of the fret, then you can affect the actual level of it. All of your pressure is going on the middle of the frets, and therefore making sure that the fret is not going too low. If you go too low on the first fret, then that means you have to lower all of the frets. So the great thing about this is that it's naturally going to stop for you before you get too far, as opposed to the way that I would typically do it, which is just run my file across it and check it until it's level. But this way you don't have to think about it, hence the foolproof method. Very simple tool and very easy to use. And if you want, this is just one piece of a larger puzzle, which I call Foolproof Fretwork, which you can download in the description below. Go down there, click on the link, put in your email, and it's yours. It's absolutely free. Download that and let me know what you think.